Warning, here is what every business owner needs to know about sales funnels. What should you guys know? Well, one of the main things that a lot of people don't know is actually what are the types of funnels that you guys should use, because there are a ton of different funnels that are appropriate for different situations. And one of the things that I see that I don't see a lot is actually people explaining, hey, what the hell can I do? Like, give me all the material I can play with, so then I can tell you, okay, I'm going to do this and that. But you guys never get to be told that answer. So I'm going to share with you all the types of funnels and their uses, so you can see, okay, which one am I rather I'm going to go with? What's the path that you're going to choose? I'm going to share those funnels with you right now. So let's start with lead funnels. I talked about that in a previous episode of Marketing Commandos, how you can generate a massive amount of lead. If that's something that you're interested, look for that episode. Second thing is, hey, I'm going to just go over them to show you, okay, what they are about, what do they do, and then you can choose if that's something that you would like to test out for yourself. So lead funnels, you got three types of lead funnels. You got squeeze pages. I struggled to say those last time, so I'm pretty happy that I did. Squeeze pages. What are squeeze pages? The simplest way to create a funnel, basically, a sales page, a landing page. Those are basically like just a simple page with an image and a form, and you collect emails, as simple as that. So that's the squeeze page. Extremely easy to set up, and yeah, extremely easy basically. Then you got the survey funnel. So a survey funnel is also for collecting leads. This one, you are using a survey to separate the different kind of customers you may have and to direct them into pages that are made specifically for them. If you have, you have 2, 3 different kind of main avatars of your customers in that can enter your funnel, you basically set up a quiz to make sure you separate them and you send them to the right page that's appropriate for them to see. If you do case studies, that's a great way to do that. So you have specific case studies for each type of businesses, each type of leads that can come. Plus you collect the info, so that's also great. Then you got last lead funnel, the summit funnel. So summit funnel is made for you to collect leads again, and you basically set up a summit with other people, other experts. And what's great about this one is that you also can offer like a VIP offer that you can use to cover your ad costs or get a bit of money in the front end. Plus, what's also great is that you are using all the audience of the other experts. And because you are the host, you're collecting all those leads, all those people, and they are coming into your lead. So that's a great way to really expand your list extremely fast. Second type of funnels, we call those the unboxing funnel. So what do I mean by unboxing? Basically, you have big offers that you do, and in those offers, you take one part of that offer and you make it as a funnel. So that's what we call it, an unboxing funnel, because you unbox your offer and you take a specific aspect of it and you put it in a funnel. So those are for selling products and things that are in the low to middle ticket offers. So unboxing funnels, we got 3. We got book funnels. So that's a specific kind of funnel, of course, for selling books, free plus shipping offers, those kind of offers. So those are the book funnels. Then you got the cart funnels. So those are especially true for e-commerce businesses. If you want to sell a specific product or something like that, those are made for you guys. Then you got challenge funnels. So challenge is kind of the same thing as a summit, but in a challenge, you pay a fee to enter, and then your goal is to, in that specific amount of time, make them reach a specific goal. Let's say, for example, the 10-day lead challenge, so you can generate leads. The 10-day, the 30-day, maybe if you want to do 30-day, like let's say 5. The 5-day sales funnel challenge, so you can set up your funnel. So those things that challenges that you can set up to make sure that in those 5 days, in that specific amount of time you are taking, I recommend 5, you take them from knowing nothing about the subject and wanting to get a specific result to actually achieving that result. That's a great way to set up things and to sell your products. Now, we got other types of funnels that are presentation funnels. And I'm going quickly over all of them, by the way. but I'm going to make episodes on each specific one of them to go into more details. If you want to know more about lead funnels, that episode is already done. Wait in the future to get other ones coming. Now, presentation funnels. So presentation are oftentimes for product that needs a bit more explanation, maybe that have a little bit of knowledge they should have before buying the product, or maybe that's something that's more high ticket. So you need to sell them more on the thing to make sure they buy. So you got multiple funnels, 3 in that category as well, actually. You have number 1, video sales letters. So those are basically a page with a video that's selling a product. Really simple, really self-explanatory. So that's a sales letter, but in a video form on the landing page. Simple as that. Then you got webinars. So webinars, I love webinars. That's an extremely great way to sell high ticket products, like mid to high ticket products. Webinar funnels are extremely great to know to how to use if you want to move up and sell products that are higher in price. Next, you got product launches. So product launches, let's say you are launching a product. Your goal in that funnel is to create some hype about that product, excuse me. You create some hype, you create some engagement, some urgency for people to actually buy that product when it's coming out. So that's a great way to get some early sales from the product or service that you are just launching. Now, last category. There's only one type of funnel in that one, but it's a really important one. This is the back end phone funnels. So those are the application funnels. So those are really high tickets. After some point, let's say oftentimes after $2,000 to $3,000, oftentimes what you need to do is to change the environment of selling, because those kind of offers may need you to be on the phone to close them. So those funnels are set specifically for that, for you guys that have high ticket offers like services or things like that. You basically set up a funnel so they can have an application that they can send to you to make sure that you close them on that high ticket product that you got. So those are all the type of funnels. Make sure that you pick the right one for you, because there is one for everybody, every type of businesses. You just have to see what works the best for you.